Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for all things industrial construction. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: cold storage construction for warehouses. Whether you're in logistics, food storage, or pharmaceuticals, cold storage plays a crucial role in keeping products fresh and safe. But how does it all come together? Let's find out. Cold storage isn't just about building a warehouse and installing a giant freezer. It's a science. Everything from the building materials to the temperature control systems must be designed to create the perfect environment for preserving products. For example, in the food industry, proper cold storage helps extend the shelf life of perishable goods, preventing spoilage and keeping them fresh until they reach consumers. So, what are the key elements when constructing a cold storage warehouse?
The first is insulation.
Cold storage requires high-quality, efficient insulation to keep temperatures consistent. We use materials like insulated panels or polyurethane foam to minimize temperature fluctuations and energy loss. Of course, cold storage construction comes with its challenges. One major challenge is sealing off any potential gaps where cold air could escape. We combat this by installing vapor barriers and ensuring tight seals around every joint and door. Every detail matters when you're dealing with temperature-sensitive environments. So there you have it, the essential elements of cold storage construction. From insulation to refrigeration, flooring to energy efficiency, it's all about creating the perfect environment to preserve and protect products. If you're planning a cold storage facility or just curious about the process, drop your questions in the comments below.